same way that we went. I went on that blue slide. Right, which one I mean? Yeah. Oh, it's adorable. Look at the little bear with a muffin on his head. Muffin, I want to eat that muffin. No, it's in between his legs where the cookie is. Oh, it's so cute. That's so cute. That's so cool. She can get the... Oh, man, look at that. Man, so much arcade. Man, look at the prizes up there. The Colorama.
Oh my god. That's cute.
I love Colorama.
Oh,
Oh, look. The Magic Quest. The Magic Quest.
this is a long video, so
No, I should. She's not supposed to. Oh, look. Huge claw machine. That's awesome.
oh yeah.
So good. Oh, it's like Chuck E. Cheese. I guess she's turning like tickets. Oh, they have frogs. You never even played it before. Oh. Oh, they have to close the cross shop. Oh, even the trash cans are adorable. Oh, there's the sweet shop.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh, Pizza Hut. So there's the Magic Quest and one of the sweet shop. There's what the Magic Quest is supposed to be. I think that's where you buy all the stuff to go to it. I've seen the wands, they're like $17. So they're kind of expensive. Hey look, a pizza shop. Hungry as a wolf. That's cute. It looks just like a old timey pizza shop. Look. That's so cute. Oh, there's the Tampa bowling alley. That's so, oh my gosh. Oh,
Mini bowl.
I can't see anything in there. Oh. Yeah. Looks like nothing's open. Hey. Oh yeah, that's the fun center. It's like DDR and Guitar Hero. Yeah, I saw a video. I searched for it for Flash on YouTube. Yeah, it's like a fun area.
Oh, there's the theater.
Oh, there's the theater. It's in there. Yeah, there. Oh, look at the bowling alley pins have little pockets on them. It's so cute. This whole hallway kind of looks kind of dreary, except for the bowling alleys and stuff. Wonder what's in there. Probably another hallway or something. It's a Magic Quest. Seems kind of like a thing at the sweet shop is like crazy awesome. Oh look, Halloween. Halloween. That looks cute. What? Oh, there goes the arcade. There we go. Oh, here's the side of the storytelling thing. Whoa, there we go. And I really think that's it. Oh, back up here. They're raccoons, not cats. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, stupid sleeping old guy. Oh wow, that's pretty. Okay. I guess they all hourglass kept on flying away, so they had to put it in a cage. Oh, gift shop. Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh cool. That is so cool. That's so pretty. Yeah, you fight dragons and stuff. Yeah, I saw a video on YouTube. It's real cool. Early this morning.